Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with iCloud step by step clearly. To begin transferring files with iCloud, ensure you have an Apple ID and that you are signed into iCloud on your device. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. Make sure the iCloud Drive option is turned on. If you're using a Mac, click on the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Next, click on Apple ID and then choose iCloud from the sidebar. Check the box next to iCloud Drive to enable it. To upload files from your device, open the Files app. Tap on Browse at the bottom, then select iCloud Drive. Choose the folder where you want to upload your files or create a new one. Tap the Add icon, then select Upload. To access your files on another device, open the Files app and tap on iCloud Drive. You can also access iCloud Drive from any web browser by visiting iCloud.com and signing in with your Apple ID. Click on the iCloud Drive icon to view your uploaded files. To download a file from iCloud to your device, simply tap on it. The file will be downloaded and available for use. If you need to share a file, tap on the file and select the share icon. Choose the method you prefer to share your file, such as email or a messaging app. For advanced sharing options, select Copy Link to create a shareable link. Manage your storage by going back to iCloud Settings. Here you can monitor your storage usage and manage backups. By following these steps, you can easily transfer files using iCloud across your devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.